How to follow someone on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Here, you can take snaps and videos and share them with your friends. On this screen, go to the top and tap on the search icon right here. Then, type in the name of the person that you want to add as your friend in the search bar. While typing, you might come across some suggestions from Snapchat. And as you can see, the top search result matches my description. So now I will tap on the name. Hit the add button over here. And you successfully added them and you can see their public stories. So that is how you can follow someone on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any suggestions related to the video.